Okay, now we're going to be assembling our portobello mushroom sandwich. I've got just a single slice of bread here. This is representation. This can be done in a wrap, on a bun, on bread, however you want to do it. So this is as generic as it gets in terms of representation. We just took our portobello mushrooms off the grill. Now, one of the reasons I chose this piece of bread is you see the surface it takes. These were two smaller portobello mushroom caps, so I did two instead of one. Then I've got some tri-colored peppers, onions, a little bit of garlic, sauteed up, still crispy. Got a jumper. Next is a bit of Asiago cheese. And of course I have to remove the safety seal. This will be hot. This will start to break down very quickly. Now I'm using the pre-shredded stuff. This is just for convenience sake. Typically in a commercial setting I wouldn't use that. I'd shred my own Asiago, getting a better consistency. Then for a medicated portion of this sandwich is going to be the raspberry balsamic vinaigrette. So remember, our dose is 25 ounces or 25 milligrams, excuse me, which in our dressing here was 1 fluid ounce or 2 tablespoons. So that, and you can put that on the sandwich, on the bread itself, spread it out like a sauce, like a mayonnaise or a mustard. You can put it over like I did there, and bon appetit.